Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. Hope everyone's doing well today. We're still in the lovely Alanya and we're going to take a little walk along the main high street and head towards the bus station to head back to the other side of the part of Antalya that we're staying. Let's see Wagwan, you guys all know the vibe. So we did do some filming last night, but thought we'd do a little bit more today. I'm not going to have a chance to go up to that castle, but I feel like we've done enough walking. I don't think you guys will be able to see it with the camera, but on top of the hill there's a massive castle. So yeah, this reminds me very much of more a city from where we stayed previously in Turkey. So there's a lot more sort of like shopping malls, more of like a bigger high street and workers and stuff, opposed to like a resort holiday. A lot more takeaways as well. So just peer that way. You can see just up there. Massive castle. Try not to swing it too much because I know some people get a little bit sensitive if I swing it too much. See in the distance, I think it might be a little bit rainy. So we did have like a little bit of a storm last night in this part of the area. And it's been sort of like lightly spitting this morning, but it's still very, very hot. And we got about a 40-minute walk to the bus station. So I'm hoping it doesn't pour down in between that time. So like I said, it's definitely more like a city. Got that cool vibe. Yeah, there's a lot more bars and everything. And like things to do. We'll go this way. Right. Let's cross. It's got a nice little apartments up in the hills up there. Feeling a little bit tired. We went out yesterday evening, just in the same bar. It's really nice. Had some red wine, but it was a very strong red wine. Played some darts, chilled out, and then I think we went home for about 1:30. But it's an early start today, so gonna probably use that 3-hour coach journey to have a little sleep and catch up. Other than all the travelling, this has definitely been a more relaxing holiday. Say holiday, work holiday. So this is it in the day of light. It's a big boat down at the harbour. It's like a cruise boat. We saw the excursion boats last night, so there'll be content on the channel for those. But you guys can't see because it's in the distance and the camera doesn't zoom, but down there, but we're going this way. We also did our first live in a little while last night, so do check that out. We are sort of wondering if we should do more lives. So we kind of stopped for a little while, didn't we? We was doing loads and then kind of get out of that habit. So we might sort of consider maybe doing like a weekly or bi-weekly live just to catch you guys up on our plans, what we're doing, see what you guys are up to. So comment below if you think that would be a good idea, if you're interested. Gives you a chance to sort of get to know us a bit better. And I don't know if you haven't seen the sort of previous videos, we've also got merchandise out now. So that'll be good. Check that out in our shop, links in the bios and all of our socials. And our name's the same on everything. So that's Wagwan Tours. If you're new to the channel, hello. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, I think this is the whole way now, isn't it? Straight. So I might be able to show you a bit of the beach. Lots of little cafes and restaurants. It's breakfast time. Hotel we stayed at did come with breakfast, but it's the usual little bit of kind of French bread, boiled egg, some salad, olives, and what else did it have? Cheese. So you're normal. They had a scrambled egg thing with like a cooked meat, but we don't obviously eat meat. And then that sort of like salami stuff. But you know, it came with the price. It'll do. Gave us something. But, yeah. There's an interesting building there. So yeah, if I'm not as chatty today, it's because I'm tired. I'm not really a morning person. I don't really wake up until sort of 11ish. My mornings I like to be quite chilled and calm, and then I sort of peak mid-morning and afternoon and then evening. I like to unwind depending on the company I'm with. I can either be extremely extrovert or introvert. I can easily be one or the other. So yeah, a lot of places aren't open yet, so it is, like I said, early. Other than if you're coming for breakfast. Let's get out of the road. So this is where all the bazaars and all the shops and everything are. Again, we've got more of that sort of on the previous videos when we came in the evening. So do check those out if you want to have a little bit more of a varied look. Very pretty at night with all of these all lit up. And they've got all the kind of like off-side roads. Again, apologies for the swinging. But yeah, the prices are, again, you can barter, but they are quite cheap for this part. Not expensive. Lots of little cats everywhere. Standard. There you go, 25 socks. €10. Right, I think get to the end of here and then I'll wrap it up and then start a fresh one for you guys. But yeah, I just wanted to show you a little bit of that main high street or sort of main road where all the buses run. Like I said, this is more like a city. And then sort of coming along here, you've got the sort of bazaars. To that side, you've got the marina. And then obviously it'll head towards the beach. But the way we've got to go to the bus station, we'll be walking alongside the beach anyway. So you guys will see that. We're heading back to where we're staying, so I will not be going to the beach this side. If you have watched the channel or listened to any of my vlogs, I do like the beach. It has to be a specific beach. I have my sort of personal beaches, which I love. Otherwise, I'm not really fussed. I'd rather just sit by a pool. The sand is a bit annoying. Yeah, I really have to be in the mood for the beach. And there's some beaches where it doesn't matter if I'm in the mood or not because it's my favourites. I will go regardless. Right, so we just come basically to the top, so I'm going to end it here. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So it's a little more of a subdued one this morning. Like I said, it's really early. Had a little bit of a late one. And I'll see you guys in the next one.